What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, gonna run my 1991 Kirby Generation 3, and hasn't been ran in quite a while, so I'm gonna kind of check on it this evening and see how everything is. And I'm thinking about polishing this bad boy real soon. Make it look nice again. So, let's do it. Still runs good. Cannot go wrong with the Kirby Generation 3, y'all, that's for sure. Man, this thing runs real nice. I love it. A little tight, but still runs really good. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. And before I go, I always want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day, everybody.